Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You know how we do it. I want you to write in the chat box, where are you currently joining us from? Where are you currently joining us from? Amazing morning, blessed morning, awesome morning to you. Where are you joining us from? I want you to write that in the chat box. Good morning, coach. Welcome back. Yeah, thank you very much. It's good to be back. It feels good to be back. Feels good to be back. I got back last night, and to be honest with you, I want to sleep. I really still want to sleep. I had to set 4 alarms so I'll wake up, because with the way I was tired, I definitely will not wake up by myself. When the alarms woke me up, I was just so faint. If you check my eyes, they're still red. Like, I want to sleep. I really want to sleep. I really want to sleep. Oh, good morning, Slimon Peter. Ondo State, awesome. Good morning, Ude Onye Kachuku. Good morning, Umishore Adewumi. Good morning, Coach David. Good morning, Collins. Franca Ijabiyi. Good morning from Manchester United. Good morning, Cornelia Ekpe from Lagos. Badejo Timileyin, my boy. Proud of you. So you guys, you need to follow him on Instagram. Timileyin, drop your Instagram handle. You guys go ahead there, go follow him. He's soon going to be the best trader in any platform you can think of. Consummate, TenTrade, think of it. MFF is soon going to beat every single person there. Everybody can bet that for sure. He's soon going to be the best there. Yeah. Good morning, Vivian. All the way from Mina, Niger State. Awesome. Collins from Zaria, Kaduna, Abba Abia. Awesome. Lagos, Nigeria. Kogi State, based in Lagos, but currently joining from Benin City. Awesome. Good morning, Ife. That's all in football. This guy has been consistent in my classes since I started last year. Honestly speaking, he's one of the most consistent I've had on this channel. Right when we were just about 80 subscribers, I started doing live videos when we were 80 subscribers. All in football has been consistent from 80. From 80. Now, how many are we on now? Let me check. We are on, hold on, let me check. Mm, Now we're on 3,305. He has been consistent since. Ife from Casablanca. Ife, when are you coming to Nigeria? Even from your face, as if the sleep is not enough. Yeah, I slept this morning, not even yesterday. I got back yesterday, but I couldn't sleep. I was rolling all around the bed. Till this morning, I managed to sleep. Forex blogger Ayo. So you guys, you know Tunde Ednut. You know how Tunde Ednut is the influence in the entertainment space. I mean, 90% of the influencers in Nigeria, successful influencers, Tunde Ednut have played a very vital role in their growth, such that no one else would have played. Not even Don Jazzy, right? Um, Now, similar Forex blogger Ayo is building such a thing in the Forex space. He's promoting every legitimate Forex trader, and he drops content from them. He always drop content from me, from other people too. I mean, I got to know him. It's not like I knew him before now. Sorry, I have a call coming in. Hold on, please. Someone's trying to call me. I'm teaching. All right, I was saying something. Um, he's trying to build something like that in the forex space. So I strongly recommend that you go ahead and follow Forex blogger Ayo on all social media platforms. He's on every social media platform you can think of. He's on TikTok, he's on Instagram, he's on Facebook, he's on Twitter. He's building something large. But go ahead and be more consistent with his Twitter and his Instagram. He's a good person. All right? He's a good person. I already followed him. Ask him. I already followed him. So if I followed him, why won't you follow him? Unless I'm not your mentor. If I'm your mentor followed someone. Go ahead and follow the person. That's why I follow only a few people because I want you guys to be able to pick only the what's the word now? Only the legitimate sources to follow. I don't want you guys following every single person without impact or value in your life. Okay? So this is Timilane Badijo. Yeah, Timmy Badijo. You need to go ahead and stay connected. Stay connected, okay? Oh, we're on 3.3K now, okay? Good morning, coach. Live in Bauchi. Awesome. Soon we're coming to Nigeria soon, okay? We're on 3,306, okay? So we're on 80 when not just him, there's another guy, Franz Ziberna. Franz Ziberna. Franz Ziberna. I don't know if he's on this call now, but he has been consistent since when we're 80 subscribers. Franz Ziberna, Uluwafemi Yewumi. I don't know if he's on this call also. When we're 80 subscribers. Yeah. Okay. I don't forget. Then we're just five. Sometimes three. Maybe only three of them. I think it was ones that Jeffrey Benson joined to call. Yeah. Because I know the other day he joined Samuel Tucci have joined a couple times. Okay, so good morning from Lagos, Nigeria. Rebecca. Ignite from Jos Plateau State. Awesome. Awesome. I plan on coming to Jos in December or November. Yeah. I plan on coming to Jos. That's my brother's in-laws place. Yeah. So I plan on going to pay a visit. I don't know when, sha. Good morning, Irene Bassi from Birmingham. Awesome. Good to have you here. Good morning, Emmanuel Ogbodo from Jos Plateau State. Awesome. First blogger Ayo says, "Thank you, boss. You're very welcome. You're very welcome." I mean, I didn't know you from anywhere. I just connected with you because I saw what you were doing and I really loved it. I wanted to support you. And yeah, I'm happy with your growth. I'm very happy about your growth. Every single influencer I've noticed you. That's what you should know by now. We've had meetings privately, and we always mention Forest Blogger Ayo. There's this guy, Forest Blogger Ayo, is pushing everybody. I see what he's doing. I was with Aquawilis the other time, and it was we were saying same thing. I was with Happy Forex and Jeff with Michael Udo. We're saying same thing. I mean, can remove. They've all noticed you. They've all noticed you. So don't relent. Don't relent. This is the worst time to give up now, because you're very close to that boom, that mega and quantum leap. You're very close to it. So if you give up, bro, you don't mess up. Okay. Good morning, Coach Fenzi Richard. Mubarak Garuba. Good morning from Ekpe, Lagos. Ekpe, Lagos. Okay. Okay. Awesome. So it feels good to be back. I mean, for 2 weeks in a row, we didn't do any live session. For 2 weeks in a row. It's not like I wanted to stay away. So I think you guys deserve an explanation as to what really happened. It's not like I wanted to stay away. All right. What really happened was I was writing exams, and you know how professional exams can be now, very, very tight and tasking, and all of these things. It's just short and time based. So why not I focus on that? and back the extra degree. After doing that, you can now, come out of it and do other things if you wish. But I just wanted to like go ahead with the exams. So I took a break for a month. I took a month break. I was still trying to show up in the first 2 weeks, but when exam started, almost it was just necessary that I took that break. And then right after then we had RCC General Convention. So everything was just together and tight, I should say. Yeah, everything was just so tight and I just couldn't keep up anymore. I couldn't keep up anymore. All right. Anyways, whew, it's good to be back. So I've not looked at the chat, so you don't think I'm coming to tell you what I saw. I've not seen, so we are going to look at the chat together now. You understand? In over a week, I've not looked at the chat. So let's come and see the chat together. What has the market been doing? Let's look at it together. I've not looked at the chat, so you don't need to think David has seen the chat. It's coming to tell us what you're seeing. Bro, I have not seen no chat. Trust me. I've not. I've not seen no chat. Excuse me. It's one day you leave this world behind. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Joseph Chibueze from Moscow, Russia. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's look at the chat together. Let's go to the 4 hours. Wow, we're already on 1.26. That's a massive sell. And I was expecting the third touch of trend line. And price came for it. Look at it. Price came for it. But I didn't trade, so I didn't even look at it. That was a good sell, though. Jeez. And it was at a psychological level, 1.28. Psychological level. We used to use 20 to 25 pips. So there's no way price would have hit on us. There is no way. There is no way price would have hit on us. We had two major conferences. First touch, second touch. This is third touch of trend line. Let's see 15 minutes if we saw weak rejections. If we saw weak rejections, then I know that there was a sale that Timilehin took. Timilehin, was this sale you called out? Is it this sale? Is it this sale? Because I know Timilehin called out a sale on the VIP group that time, but it's the last time I traded, man. August 1st. That's 2 weeks, bro. That's 2 weeks. Except, yeah, that's 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks. Wow. 2 weeks ago. Okay. So, David, what's the storyline the market is telling you now? Let's go to 1 hour. I see a lot of liquidity below, so I see further sales. I see further sales. I see a lot of liquidity below, so I see further sales. And my instincts don't lie. Good morning, Edo Praise. Edo Praise is a very good person. Edo Praise is a very good person. Okay, that was the sale you called out. Awesome, 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 awesome. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. We have Umraud Aquarium. He says, good morning from Junction Camp. I waited to see you, but no luck. Ah, I waited to see you, but no luck. Wow. Did you message me or did you call me on Instagram or WhatsApp or wherever? I don't know if you have my contact though. But if you did, then I would have told you where to come. A lot of people wanted to see me, a lot. And I remember directing them that by God's grace, I have 4 offices on camp where I can meet with people briefly. So some of them I invited them over to the registration office. Actually five, because there are two registration offices. For some I invited them over to the secretariat office. For some I invited them over to the back of the auditorium. So I could quickly meet with them. You messaged me on Instagram. Oh, probably I didn't see it. No, I was too busy that week. Sorry, sorry. But we can find another time. You know what? On Sunday, come to RCCG the Bridge at Lagos Airport Hotel. That's the church I worship. So you will see me there. Lagos Airport Hotel, 7:30 a.m. You'll see me there. Okay? You'll see me there. Onibare David. Good morning, boss. Good morning. How are you from Ogun State? Awesome, 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 awesome. So let's go into so this was liquidity here, and price came grab liquidity. And right, I know myself, I usually enter at the peak of the liquidity because I know the price will first grab the liquidity, and this was the height of the liquidity here. So this would have been my entry right here. This would have been my entry here, directly on the trend line. And this would have been my first TP. I'll ignore this one. This one obviously price will cut it. This would have been my first TP, and this will be my second TP. So I'll still be in the trade, which means there are still further sales. Look at this. There's still space for more sales. This is liquidity below already. So now we have two options. But let's see the overall bias of the market before we start looking for a short buy and short sell. Okay. So I see this. Price might do this, or from here, price might decide to get here and then go up all the way and fall. Now also decide to go up all the way and fall. Price might also decide to go up, break above it, retest it, and buy to this zone. Because there's a sell zone there before falling. Yeah, this is a zone the price might want to respect. If it breaks above it, yeah. So that's what I'm saying. But then right now, okay, you know what? You guys take a screenshot of this, or no, let me send it to you guys so you can monitor. Those that do swing trading, just monitor this analysis. Price comes here, can try a sell. If the sell breaks, immediately start buying. Immediately start buying, because if this sell fails here, you are buying to the next resistance. Do you understand? Yes, sir. One day, leave this fall behind. So leave a life. So here's where you're buying to, rather selling to. Yeah. So let me share this with you guys. Those of you that do swing trading can look at it. Um, Actually, I'm seeing sales, but I'm just telling you what are the possible things that will happen. I'm honestly seeing sales, right? But we cannot be oblivious of the fact that we might buy. We cannot. So it's time for us to let's look at what is likely to happen now. That's the question. What is likely to happen now? What's likely to happen now? What's likely to happen now? By the way, all of you guys that are on this call, I want you to click on the like button right now. Because if you like the video, what YouTube does is YouTube will recommend it to other people. Do you understand? So go ahead and like the video. And once you've liked the video, share it on your social media and write done. DONE. Copy the link, share it on maybe your Instagram or your WhatsApp status, and write done. Once you've written done, once you've written done, I would hold on. So when you were talking about your TP, if you had taken the trade, you said one liquidity wasn't strong enough. Please, why? Oh, it was not liquidity I was referring to. Okay, I know. Let me tell you. Let me show you what I was referring to. I said this price point was not strong enough. That's to come to the next one. That's because according to structure, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a new high. We have not had any other high, equal low, no new high, no new high. Finally, price made a new high. That's to come and test this previous low. It must break this low completely like it did now before we can see it is a downtrend now. You understand? If it had come here, then there's a likelihood of it going back up, right? I mean, then there's no likelihood of it going back up because based on structure, we have this low, this high, this low, this high. Then after this low and this high and this equal low high here, the next high we have is this high that price fell from. So following the trend, we are going to pick this swing point, which is this low. That's where price will come back to test or break. The price must come back into that place to either break it or test it. Not this point, because this point is not a swing position. This is a major position because we had multiple tests here and we had price failing to break above it. You understand? We had price failing to break above it. I hope that makes sense. I mean, my body's aching me. My body's aching me. And this is just 8:30. Jesus. Good morning, Irene Efa from Cross River State, Calabar. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you too. Udzi Abua Alice from Calabar, Cross River State. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Good morning, 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 good morning. Okay, so let's go right into what we're saying. So what am I expecting right now from the 1 hour chart? We're already in a downtrend. Okay, so we're not looking to buy, we're only looking to sell. So price might it might. And someone will be asking, why did I pick this place I picked? Because of this white. Let me expand my chart so that you see what I'm showing you. I picked this place because of this white candle here. This was the white candle that fell down when price went up. So I'm picking the low of that place. Yeah. Do you understand what I'm saying? Picking the low of that place. Now, there's a likelihood that that might not hold, or price might not even get there at all. What's the second option? 15 minutes time frame. I see all the done. I see all the done. So, what's the next possible entry position? Let's draw a trend line. First touch. Oh, second touch, third touch, break and retest. So right now there's a possibility for a buy into this zone. Yeah, there is a possibility of a buy from here. There's a possibility for a buy from here all the way up. Yeah, there is. Let's sell just below all of this, 15 pips. Yeah, there's a possibility for a buy. But I'm not trusting the buys because overall we're in a sell trend. If price fails this buy, this is what I'm gonna do. If price fails this buy, I'm gonna wait on the sell. Remember where I said we're selling to? Price fails this buy, we're going to sell all the way down. There's emphasis on if price fails this buy. But even if price fails it, before we can start selling, we have to wait for a confirmation. Right? However, this is a good buy because we just saw first touch, second touch, third touch, break, and retest. Hence the buy that is going on right now. Hence the buy that is going on right now. Buy into the sell zone. I hope that is clear. I really hope that's clear. I really hope that is clear. I really hope that is clear. So I'm trying to highlight this for you guys that for those that are not on this live call that want to go through it later on. Yeah. Yeah, this is likely what happens. If price falls and breaks, then wait for a retest of it and will sell. If price goes all the way up, it has to go up to that zone I marked out. It can't stop on the way. Okay. Mm, so I think that's what I'm looking out for. Nothing much, nothing more. Okay. I think that's all from me today. Coach David, you didn't complete your statement when you said when we are done sharing the link, we should. Yeah, when you're done, just type done now. Once you're done sharing the link, just type done. Any question? Any question? Sir, why can't it stop on the way? Structure. I told you. After having new structure, I priced into coming to the previous structure. And if you're checking based on structure, look at this. This is the structure self, right? So price cannot. How do I explain this now? Well, price might stop here. Oh, I will not lie to you. The price stops here. It's not bad. But price cannot stop before this place. Because this is the previous structure. Right. So price might stop there actually. Thank you for correcting me on that. Price might stop there. But I strongly believe that price will start pushing up here as it comes to this zone. Because this place is a 15-minute structure. On the 1 hour, we have a structure already. And remember, higher time frame always win. Higher time frame always win. Always win. Okay. Then define giveaway. Done. Done. Your analysis is top notch. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sir, please, can you look at DXY? If it was another person that told me to, I will not answer. But it's Edu Praise. Edu Praise is my student. He's my VIP student. He's my boy. He has made me proud. So I'll go ahead and look at it because of you. So what link are we to share? I was a little bit distracted. Okay, we're supposed to share the link to the live call. Just share it with others so they can join the call. You understand? Because I'm teaching Forex for free. That point was already mitigated, so it might not be strong. So the one you marked out looks more valid. Okay, I see. Summer Ekori. Oh, I remember you, bro. I remember you. Yeah. So, like I said, the point I marked out, it looks more valid, but that's the 15-minute structure. It might hold and it might choose not to hold. But let's just keep an eye on that. Okay. When price gets towards that zone, then maybe close partials, I don't know, or move your SL completely. Or you can even take all your profit. I mean, 10 pips will not take you out of your, like, it won't change your name. So if you lose 10 pips, I mean, you won, let's say 60 pips, you lost 10 pips. I mean, you've tried now. If you're supposed to do 70 pips, you did 60 pips. That's tried. You understand? Thank you too. Thanks, coach. You're welcome. So let's go to DXY quickly. Let's go to DXY. I've not looked at this dude in a long time. I've not looked at this dude in a long time. I've not looked at this dude in a long time. Let's just go straight to the 4 hours and see what's there. Let's see what the 4 hours is saying. Network is shitty. It's not even loading. Oh, Forex blogger Aya. I'm always proud of you. It's not loading, so I don't know. Edo Praise, it seems like DXI does not want me to look at it. Okay, that's what it seems. That's what it seems. It's not loading. Till now, it's still not loading. Edo Praise, sorry. I don't know. I need to leave now because my eyes are already closing. Okay, that's loaded. Okay. Even though it has not loaded fully. Oh shit. But then from this we are seeing we can price is coming up here now. This is liquidity, first touch, second touch. Price is coming to grab it all the way up. If price goes up, it means GE should go down. Alright. Price is coming up to grab it. Price is coming up to grab it. This was the last time I looked at DXY when I said it to come down here and then go up from here. And it did that, except that I don't know. I think it was one NFP that caused this. Excuse me. Yeah, so right now this is liquidity. We expect price to come and break it. and the uptrend is very heavy uptrend we are seeing right now. So we expect price to come and break it. We expect price to come and break it. So I don't know how price will do that, but I expect price to rally. Okay, and then this is another zone. Okay, look at this now. Price broke above this, and now it's retesting it. You know what that means? Further buys, further buys, further buys. Yeah, so further buys on DXY. Further buys on DXY. I like this. It's looking good. DXY is looking good. Network is not really great though. DXY is rebelling. Thank you so much for value. You're very welcome. And remember, it's free. So share it out. This is free. I'm not collecting money for this. This is top notch. I'm telling you. This is real value. This is what I give to my students. Just I give them on a more consistent basis, and I do that to you. And I do it more intimately than I do that to you. But then this is value. Go ahead, share it. Let everybody benefit from it. Together everyone wins. I mean, let all win. Let all of us win. Unless you're after competition, me, I'm after collaboration. So let's look for ways to collaborate. Let's look for ways to be of benefit to each other. To see at the top, not from the top, because you know what it said. The bottom is way too crowded. The bottom is way too crowded. Click on the like button and like this video. If you don't like the video, YouTube will not recommend it to other people. Do you understand? YouTube will not recommend it to other people. So go ahead and like the video so YouTube can, unless you don't want YouTube to recommend it, which is okay. But if you want YouTube to recommend it, then I mean, click on the like button. Join our Telegram channel. We give free signals. Um, yeah, we give free signals. Take care of yourselves. Have a nice time. Bye.